Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this series I'm going to share with you my top payment and scheduling hacks to boost your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, so on and so forth, we work with you guys, and we specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into this series. Let's have a look at hack number 2. Offer a discount if you pay up front. If you've ever been on websites like booking.com where you can book hotels, they normally have a couple of payment options. There's normally pay at the property, right? So basically when you check out of the hotel, like most hotels, that's when you pay. Or there's another option to pay for it up front via the booking.com website. And they normally give you some kind of discount. It's normally like a little bit cheaper if you pay up front. They give you that incentive. And the great thing about that for the hotel, for booking.com, is that because you've paid up front, and typically it's like non-refundable as well. So if you opt for that option, you can't refund, you can't cancel. If you don't show up, like you've paid for the room, that's it, that's on you, right? But to give people that incentive to go down that route, normally it's a little bit cheaper than if you pay at the property when you check out. And so this is a great idea. This is a great hack that you can implement inside of your floor cleaning business to actually have more people pay you up front and have less cancellations. So if you have, say, some kind of, say, booking facility on your website where people can book and stuff like that, offer an additional 10% off the price if they pay up front via the website. So that might be, if it's a $115 job, it might be $15. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't really want to lower my prices by $15. $15 is a lot of money for me. I can't afford to reducing my prices by $15, $20 for every customer and giving another 10% off. I can't afford that. So all you do is you can just mark up your fees to incorporate this discount. So with the 10% off, it equates to being your standard fee, right? And so you just put like your normal prices up by 10% to account for this additional discount. But the perception is to the customer that if they basically pay up front, it's going to be a little bit cheaper. But on your end, you've just raised the prices a little bit, so you're not actually losing any money, if that makes sense. But ultimately, the theory here is that, again, if this person that's on your website, they genuinely want to get their carpets cleaned, they genuinely want to get their hardwood floors polished, they genuinely want to get the tile in the kitchen and the bathroom clean, if they genuinely are looking to hire you, then, more often than not, people will be quite happy to pay up front if it means they're going to get like an extra little discount or whatever, right? Like, why not? Oh, if it's going to cost me $15 less, yeah, I may as well just pay up front now. Saves me having to worry about payment once the guy gets here, right? Not everybody will take you up on this option, but you'll have some people that do, that think, yeah, I'm definitely going to schedule, I'm definitely going to have the guy come around and do it, so I may as well just pay now and it'll be a little bit cheaper, right? Amazing. So again, this is a great way, a great hack, by giving people that little extra discount, that little extra incentive, like these hotel websites, to actually pay you up front. And then that way you've got paid and there's no way that person can cancel. It's non-refundable. And so again, that's a great way of minimizing cancellations and making sure that you're getting paid, which is the most important thing, and the job stays on the schedule. That's the second great little hack I've got for you in terms of payment and scheduling that will hopefully give your floor cleaning business a bit of a boost. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below and tune in to the next part of this series. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website where you can find out more information and schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.